Does your Honda key look like this, or this, or this, or this, or this? They tend to break, and it's really frustrating because they're super expensive to replace at the car dealership. Well, Tom's Key Company has a solution for you. Visit our website, tomskey.com, order the Honda key replacement service. You simply upload 3 photos after placing your order. In a few days, we will cut a replacement blade and send it to you. Let me show you how easy that is to put together. After our key by photo technology does its magic, you'll receive a replacement kit that's cut, ready to go for your existing key blade. Now it's important to note, if the batteries in your electronics don't work, this shell is not going to make them work again. But if this starts the engine, and if you replace the battery, and if these buttons can lock and unlock the door, then we can help you out. Once you've removed the screw, most Honda key shells are a little bit tricky to open. You'll feel like you want to pull this direction, but there's actually a little clip or a little ridge right on this end that you need to kind of push in that direction as you lift. A little bit of wiggling back and forth, and there you can get it. And you see that little clip that came together like this, a little bit of a hinge. Some Honda keys have a chip like this that is separate from the electronics. It'll look something like that. In other cases, if you don't have a separate chip, then the transponder chip function is actually contained within this little case with the circuit board and the fob buttons, which makes it a little easier to put together a new case if, like this one, you don't have a separate chip. Now, I want to point out this chip is very important. This is the transponder chip that has the digital fingerprint that gets programmed into your vehicle to allow a particular key blade to start the engine. Sometimes to extract the chip, it may be necessary to take a razor knife and very carefully cut away at the plastic to extract the chip. Now, I want to caution you, obviously you can cut yourself, but also you could damage the chip. If the chip gets damaged and broken, then you're going to have to get a new key programmed. They're fairly durable, but they can be broken, so proceed at your own risk. So that's why it's so important. If you have a chip, you get it into your new key case. This is a good time if you haven't replaced the battery recently. You can replace the battery very easily in these. If you decide to change the battery, and we'll probably include an offer if you'd like us to throw in a battery. There's a couple tabs on the ends. It can take a little bit of force to pop open the tabs on the remote case. So you may need to get a fingernail or maybe a small screwdriver really under the end of the tab. Use some care, but don't be surprised if it takes some force. Pop those open and there's the battery. Be sure to pay attention to which side the plus and negative are on the battery. This particular battery is a CR 2025. Replacing the battery is completely optional if it's already working for you. Sometimes on the case it may indicate which battery you need. Now, when reassembling the case, there are several different ways that the case can be put back together. The most common is with a screw, just like the original Honda keys. And we'll see if we can include a tiny screwdriver to make it easy to put that back together. The other type is like this, where there's a tab on each end, here and here. We need to figure out which one's the thicker end that goes in first. In this case, right here, kind of clips in, and then apply some pressure to pop it together. Now, if the time comes to replace the battery, you're going to use a small screwdriver right there to pop it open, peel up this end, and get the case off. The other kind is like this. It has a little tab right there, and it has a little lip at the end here. So in a similar fashion, you line it up down here, and then clip it into place. And if you have to access the batteries, again, there's a little pry point for a small screwdriver right there. All right, now I want to also let you know, if you're down to only one working key, this key replacement service is great. It'll get you that one working key so it keeps lasting for longer. But by the end of 2021, we'll have a key programming kit available that will allow you to make a second spare key or a third or fourth key and save you a ton of money over what a car dealership would charge. At Tom's Key Company, we provide exceptional customer service, so if you run into problems, reach out to us via email, help@tomskey.com. At Tom's Key Company, we stand behind the products we sell. So should the replacement key somehow break in the future, reach out to us, send some photos, we'll recut a new one for you and ship it out. We believe your car key should last as long as you own the vehicle. Thanks and have a great day.